I'm Morgan. I am a senior in the Biomedical Engineering department at Virginia Tech. This is a day in my life at Virginia Tech. My day starts with my neuro-rehab perspectives class. We get to learn all about the lived experience of traumatic brain injuries and strokes. We get to have Dr. Stephen Nape sit in on all of our classes. He has had both a stroke and traumatic brain injury. Getting to hear his lived experience in every class and how he has navigated his life after. Eventually we'll go do community emergence with people that have brain injuries and then also go into the hospitals and see what that looks like.
Ooh, are we gonna do biceps?
Usually in between my classes, we'll either meet up with my group for a group project, which is another elective, wearable bioinstrumentation. So that class is looking at all sorts of wearables, so Apple Watches, Oura Rings, looking at the circuitry behind that. And then I have senior design. We're 3D printing a bunch, trying to figure out the shell of our device. My group specifically is working on spinal fusion surgery, and so we are building a medical device to remove the disc material. So we've gotten to learn all about the surgery and then explore different technologies that we want to incorporate in our device. My favorite part about senior design would be getting to develop expertise within the field of spinal fusion surgery, and then also getting to build upon all of the skills that we've learned throughout all of our courses. So CAD modeling, coding, and just prototyping in general, and really getting to put it into a real life project. I work for Kimberly-Clark, so they are a consumer goods company. They have Kleenex, Cottonelle, Huggies diapers. I specifically was on the Depend teams, and then I switched more to remote work, so working more on larger initiatives to make the team's life easier. And so I'll usually hop on for a few hours in between classes and log on, respond to messages, and work on any of the projects that I'm working on at the time. Getting to meet with my team. I loved working with them this summer, so getting to hop on calls and catch up with them, even while I'm remote, is my favorite part about that. We had an event for the Undergraduate Biomedical Engineering Society. We go by OOBS, so a little bit shorter. We work a lot on professional development, so really the club is open to anybody interested in biomedical engineering. I'm the president of that, so I run all of the meetings, and so this one was a Valentine's Day social, so we just did some cookie decorating and colored, so just a de-stress event to kind of give biomedical engineering students a chance to just hang out and enjoy each other's company, but also a fun activity for Valentine's Day. My favorite part about being in the biomedical engineering department is definitely our hands-on coursework. We have a lot of labs built in throughout our 3 years in the program, and then we get to finally finish off with our senior design project. All of my coursework has really prepared me the best to line up my job. Our first class is professional practice in the biomedical engineering department. So you go through all of these processes that you're doing in real life to get an internship or a job. That really prepared me well for my first internship, which allowed me to then grow to this bigger company. You get a wide variety of projects and you learn how to work in that group setting, and that really sets you up well for industry.
It's just the basics.